Guys, welcome back to Tools and Builds. Today I'm gonna try to do something, and I don't know if the video is gonna be a successful video, and the only way to find out is I'm gonna try something that I never done before. I've soldered wires together, but I never soldered a chip like this. Now, for those who are wondering, this is a chip for a Mini Cooper. The reason I'm soldering is my daughter bought a Mini Cooper and both keys came with dead batteries. I went to Mini and I asked them to change my battery, and they wanted some, how can I say this? They were expensive. And for a battery, you shouldn't pay more than 20 bucks for a battery of this quantity. It's small. It's extremely small. And I decided, you know what, I'll do it myself. I'll open it up, I'll change the battery, and that's it. When I opened the battery, I noticed that the battery is welded to the chip. Now, when I first saw this, I asked myself, why would anyone do something like that? Now, I have a 2017 Camaro, the battery dies, easy fix. I had a Mercedes, easy fix. I had a BMW, that was a bit complicated, that my wife made them do it. I never saw it. I don't even know if it fits like this. That was my son's Beamer. And I spoke to other people, and nobody have seen something like this before. If you know any other car manufacturer that has their battery welded to a microchip, to a plate like this, I'd like to know about it. Because it's ridiculous. Why are you going to pay over 20 bucks for someone to change something that's simple? So what I decided to do is I'm really going to try to fix this for my little girl. And I found one. This is a brand new battery that I found on Amazon, and it was $10. I told my daughter I'm going to try to do it. If it works, fine, I'll buy another one and I'll do it. If it doesn't work, she has a choice of not using her remotes and go in and turn the key, open the doors like we used to do, instead of always pressing the buttons. Now, I'm going to try this. The only thing is, I don't know if it's going to work right away. My wife took the Beamer out, the Mini out, so we're going to try to first unweld the old battery to replace the new battery. And then when she comes back home, we'll see it works. So here we go. Okay. So this right here sucks. I'm gonna go get the other one. Let's try again. I got one side out, as you see, Now I'm just gonna have to weld a bit more to get a little screwdriver. Maybe a little X-Acto knife. Okay, let's do it again. And here you go. The old one is out. Now let's hope the new one will go on the same, because the guy told me it's supposed to be the same. So let's hope. We're gonna turn this around. That goes here. We're gonna have to heat it up again and hopefully push in and it solders. Now, I really don't know if it works. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I put it together with, see, I don't know if it has to go more in than this. See, there's a little space. So let me see if I get the keychain. And this is supposed to go like that. Let me see if it closes. And no, it doesn't close. So that means I gotta push this more in. So how? That one went in. Let's try this one. As you see, it went more in. Now we're gonna see if it fits. So the key buttons are here. So, whoops, the buttons are here. You see it? It goes right here. Supposed to line up, and it's not. And I don't know why, but maybe it's the other way around. There you go, like this. And then this key goes like this. So before this has to be glued. So before I glue it, I'm gonna solder it a bit more with new soldering, as you can see right here where I used. And then when my wife comes back with the Mini, I'll press the button, see if it starts, and if it doesn't start, I owe my daughter, as you can see I'm putting, if it doesn't start, I owe my daughter a new key, which was going to cost me more money than having them fixed. But you know, I like doing shit like this. It's the first time I did it. And yes, I wear glasses. I am getting old. Now that's the video. I really don't know if it's gonna work. Like I said, I really don't know if this is gonna work or not. This was a way for me trying out my soldering skills and my equipment, knowing that the gun, which is much better than what I used before, and that's it. So once the Mini comes home, I'm gonna try it. Hopefully the door doesn't open close, and if it does work, I'll go back to Amazon, I'll buy another battery. Hopefully my soldering didn't damage anything else, which I hope didn't. And that's it. And then put it together, glue it, and I will show you how to do it, how to glue it. So we're gonna wait for my wife to come back. Alright, the Mini came back and I tried to use it and it doesn't work. So this video is a complete fail, but I'm not gonna give up. What I noticed is when I went outside, one of the buttons was broken. The other one over here does not click, and neither does this one. So I don't know if it's my mistake that was the cause for it not working, or was the board is faulty. So I'm gonna say this video was a fail. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna take out the battery again, I'm gonna solder it out, and I'm gonna glue the case together. And then once this case is done, I'm gonna take the other spare key and I'm gonna do the same thing. And I checked it out and the buttons do work. So I'm gonna take the battery, put it in a new case, and try again. If you like this video, please press like. If you have any comments, please write on your comments. If you have one of these and you did it yourself and it worked, let me know. And if you did do one of these and it didn't work, let me know as well. And for those who worked, let me tell you congratulations and let me know what I did wrong when I soldered this together. So that's the end of this video. It was a complete fail. Next week is another small video, so please like and share. Thank you.